Hello dear students, in this lecture we are going to discuss many topics like northing, easting, grid and 4-figure grid reference and 6-figure grid reference. This is very important topic for your examination and it will be asked in your examination to find out 4-figure grid reference, 6-figure grid reference. Before I am going to find out 4-figure and 6-figure grid reference, we have to know about topographical map. In last few lectures, we have already known about topography, importance of topography and scale, like that, all the things. So in this map, topographical map, why this is important, easting, northing, grid, what is the worth value of these things. My dear students, if you have not any knowledge to go anywhere, with the help of Google Map, you can easily reach that destination. You type in a Google Map and Google Map instruct you to go from this way to reach there. So it is only possible of topographical map. Okay? Why topographical map? In topographical map, we have grid. Look at this. Look at this globe. This globe is full of latitude and longitude, and the latitude and longitude meet at a point at a 90 degree each and every latitude. Here we can separate the latitude and longitude because infinite numbers of latitude and longitude here. We can draw it out. Very small area, very small village we can find on Google Map with the help of certain latitude and longitudinal address. And when this latitude and longitude meet, this is called grid. And in the topographical map, this is coordinate, x and y coordinate, and this is 2D figure because of we can draw it on a sheet of paper. So this is 2D figure and xy axis figure. So with the help of this, we can easily understand. First and foremost, axis. In the name of topographical map, axis is named as easting and northing. What is easting and what is northing? As you know this, from here we can I write this easting and northing only for you remember. You just remember like that. Vertical line, that means from south to north. It is what? It is easting. And from west to east, it is what? It is northing. Clear? So, what is grid? Grid is the point where easting and northing meet at the 90 degree. This is grid. This is grid. All are grid. Okay? So, in any topographical map, there is a name of topographical map. You can find your topographical map, Motihari topographical map, on the website or on the regional district survey center. You have from where you can find it out. So in this topographical map, there is a number. Suppose in your book there is a 45/7 upon D is the map of the place of Rajasthan and Gujarat. Some area. This topographical map can, with the help of a scale, we can take large scale and small scale, and with the help of this we can figure it very small area and very large area too. Okay, so 4-figure grid reference, there is a RF 1:50,000 in your textbook, and the scale is taken 2 centimeter equal to 1 kilometer. That means each and every box measuring distance 2 centimeter. This box is 2 centimeter of side of the square. So here is 16 what? 16 boxes here of 4 centimeter of area. And in this box we have 10 what? Like a graph, we have 10 line from easting and from northing. Okay. With this, if we have someone asked to find out the 4-figure grid reference of P. So what is the 4-figure grid reference? Just calculate it like that. From here you can measure it. From easting you measure it 23, 24, 25, and from this is 24 between 25 and 26. So then you can write here 25. What? 25. And from here, where is northern point on P? Then you can read it like that, 73, 74, 75, and P between 75 and 76. So you can what? Write here 75. This is the 4-figure grid reference. That means you can find what? The easting and northing of this location. And when you set and when you find within the place within this area, you can also set up like that in a northing and easting. So 6-figure grid reference for that purpose. So 6-figure grid reference, if you have to find the 6-figure grid reference in this area, how we can find it? How can we find it? So from here we can 25 like this 4-figure grid reference, and here from 75 and dot, and from this dot we have to count this 10 line from where this P is existed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we can write 5, and here 73, 74, 75, and from 75 after 75 we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here 6. This is the 6-figure grid reference. I hope you will understand easily. You can figure it out easily. This 4-figure and grid reference, 6-figure grid reference. So next video will be contoured lines, and I will try my level best for sign convention. Rather, it is difficult to write it on a board, but I will try my level best. And then after, in topographical sheet, we have to go through some slide, or I will try my level best to shoot our topographical map on this board. But hope it will be good to make a video on slide. So this is it. Thank you so much.